How to plant and maintain Mia flower plants for beginners. Leaves Mia oila plant known as Coleus bes is an ornamental plant that entered in the family Lamiaceae. This plant has a wet stem with a height of about 1 meter. Triangular or ovate-shaped Mia leaves with varying colors ranging from green to purplish red to jagged edges. This plant has red, purple or yellow flowers. Scientific classification of flower Mia. Kingdom, Platy. Subkingdom, Trachiobiota. Superdivision, Spermatophyta. Division, Magoliophyta. Class, Magoliocida. Subclass, Asteridae. Order, Lamiales. Family, Lamiaceae. Genus, Coleus. Species, Coleus atrapurpurus bes. This Mia flower plant can be planted in pots or planted directly to the ground or yard. This flower plant is very easy to plant and cared for, so many people to plant this flower to be used as an ornamental planting. Here's how to plant and maintain flower Mia plants for the newbies for more plants. 1. Preparation of Mia flower seeds. This Mia flower is very easy to do. The nursery is only by the separation of the root of the clumps only. Separate the seeds from the parent plant without damaging the root system and the stem. After the seeds are separated from the parent plant, then the seedlings can be planted in the planting medium or placed in a wet and moist place if not already planted. 2. How to plant Mia flower. If the seeds are ready, then do the planting. Prepare in advance the planting medium to plant Mia leaf plants. The planting medium can be made from a mixture of soil and manure or compost fertilizer with a ratio of 1:1. If everything is, immediately plant the seedlings on the planting medium, then do watering care well. Adjust the planting place of this plant with the number of seeds to be planted. 3. How to take care of Mia flowers. Watering Mia flowers can be done as necessary, not too much. Do also provide fertilizer using organic fertilizer or artificial fertilizer, but better fertilizer is given the type of leaf fertilizer with the provision of fertilizer through watering or spray. Give the fertilizer after the plant grows well. The fertilization is done routinely every 2 months. So we are discussing about how to plant and maintenance of Mia flower plants for beginners. Hopefully the videos we present can be useful for all of us. Also watch our next video every day at 6 p.m. See you later and thank you for visiting our channel.